Let's talk about unity and why this is such a big thing in our community, why it's on our hearts as a team. So growing up, my parents, they moved to Australia in the mid-90s and I was born in the late 90s and went to school here. Again, haven't lived in any other country my entire life, and growing up, Australia is all I knew. But I looked different to everyone else, I ate different food to everybody else, had different cultural traits, and growing up I had this accent as well, so it was like, am I Aussie, am I Sri Lankan, who am I? And I really had this, identity crisis. And going through school, finishing high school and going to uni, I realized there were heaps of people around the world just like me. And those are the guys that you guys are watching this right now. And it's been so humbling to see our community come together. And guys, there's not many communities out there where there's Indians, Pakistanis, Sri Lankans, people from the West, people from the East, people from all over the place who come together and laugh with humor at the memes. Because at the end of the day, guys, we're all the same. We're all human. We're all people. And that's why Unity and Unity Day is such a big thing that's on our hearts. We just really want to celebrate the different cultures that are represented in the group. We want to give a voice and hear the stories of the different people that consist in this group and are doing awesome things around the world. And we also want to make a practical difference in our motherland, where our parents or ancestors may have come from, to make a mark, to help them out, and just to really come together and make a difference. So guys, Unity Day it's going to be awesome. The lead up is going to be awesome. You guys can get your Unity Day merch here as well. Repping it right now. There's a sweater, there's a t-shirt as well. If you can't afford the merch and just want to donate as well, there's options to do that also. But I encourage you to get involved, to get behind it. And it's going to be awesome, guys. And a frequently asked question is, how do we know that this is all legit? How do we know it's all going to be going to charity water? Well, to let you know, we're going to be getting someone to independently audit us as well, come in and make sure that everything checks out, and we do our due diligence. And we just want to make sure we're doing our practical part. We're coming together, we're changing culture together. But there's a lot of exciting things that are happening as we all come together as Currys worldwide. So God bless, guys. Be nice to each other, listen to each other's stories, and we'll catch you soon. Take care.